Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. Today, we will look at two website examples created on Shopify platform. These are two eShop websites of women and men collections. Let's test the first one, women's collection. The clarity score shows 69%. The heat maps appear on the title Women's. It also recognizes some faces, and little or no attention goes to the names of each product. At the bottom part, the footer, the newsletter section attracts most attention and slightly distracts attention from the most important objects, such as pictures, titles, and prices. Okay, let's move to another website. Here we have a clothing collection for men. However, the differences are that it has a collection image at the top, a logo at the top left, has 3 images instead of 4 in one row, and has less objects in the footer area. Let's test this website. The clarity score is 73%, which is 4% higher than the women's collection website. The text on the header image receives similar amount of attention to the previous website. There are less distractive items in the footer area, and the newsletter section receives less attention than the one on the women's collection website, which sends more attention to the photos and the titles under each image. What is more, just to repeat, there are 4 pictures in one row on the women's collection website, while there are 3 on the men's one, which brings more attention to the photos and the titles in the latter website. Let's see if we can bring even more attention to one of the most important objects on the website, prices and titles. Let's try another color for the prices and test the performance again. On the Shopify dashboard, click Customize, go to the men's section, choose Theme Settings and Colors. Change the body text color from black to dark red. Click Save and view your store again. Let's test it. Even though the clarity score remains the same, it did get slightly more attention to the price and title areas compared to the previous website. In this case, now we can see that using less images in one row, having your prices in a different brighter color, and having less objects at the bottom part attract more attention to the most important objects, photos of clothing, titles, and prices. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next videos.